I think this is the time to say goodbye to Pera University. Hi mga classmates! Once again, I'm Rose Sabadan, the owner of Pera University. And today, meron nga po tayong important announcement, especially sa mga subscribers natin. So recently, I received multiple violations on YouTube due to their policies, especially regarding financial contents na nag-result ng strike dito sa ating channel. So mostly affected yung mga earning application contents, which is ayun talaga yung mga videos na ginagawa ko. So in the past 4 years, doing content with that niche, ngayon lang ako nakatanggap ng ganyang klase ng violations at sunod-sunod pa. And it was so frustrating that time kasi I needed to delete almost all of my videos simula nung nag-start ako up until this year. So it's really hard for me kasi this is my work. Masaya akong ginagawa to. And my goal din talaga is to help you na makapag-earn din using those platforms na sinishare ko sa inyo. Pero ayun nga, I think one of the main reasons din talaga kaya mas naghigpit si YouTube kasi nga ang daming gumagamit ng platform nila para makapangloko. Pero ayun nga, wala naman tayong magagawa. That's their policy. And for me, that's life. We needed this change to grow. And ayun, I don't want to be negative about this. I just want to be positive and grateful na nangyari to. Kasi diba, it opens new opportunities para sa mas magaganda pang content na pwede nating magawa. And also, I would like to take this opportunity na magpasalamat sa inyo. Kasi I know, yung isang tao nga lang na magtiwala sa'yo, napakahirap nang makuha. Pero nagkaroon nga po ako ng more than 1 million na tao na nagtiwala sa akin at sa channel na ito. So, thank you so much mga classmate. Maraming salamat po. And as I've said kanina, gusto ko tong ginagawa ko. Hindi ako magsasawang gumawa ng content na makakatulong sa inyo to earn income online. Pero now, I guess I needed to say goodbye to the old Pera University and say hello to Pera University Digital. Kasi ngayon, I will be more focusing on creating content on how to earn using digital products and anything related to that. And also, I would like to share with you yung gratefulness na meron ako ngayon with YouTube despite dun sa mga nangyaring violations. So I would like to share that because of YouTube, nakapagpatayo po ako ng bahay na fully paid. So yes, hindi ko po yan ni-loan. And nakabili din po ako ng sarili naming kotse in cash. Fully paid din po yan. And nakapag-travel kami ng family ko, local and internationally. Napunta ko din sa ibang bansa yung mother ko. And na-invite din ako sa iba't ibang klase ng events. And I have different businesses right now that earning passive income, including yung digital products. And this is all because of the Lord. And ang ginamit niya nga pong instrument dito is itong si YouTube. And right now, I have peace in me kasi I know there's a reason kung bakit nangyayari yung mga ganitong klaseng challenges sa buhay natin. So for me naman, yung paggawa ng content, nandyan lang yan. Pwede natin gawin yan ulit. Pero this time, of course, natuto na tayo. And yun yung mas importante. So ayun lang, and later gagawa ko ng mga new contents that hopefully helps you to earn income in the comfort of your home. And again, thank you so much mga classmates sa support ninyo. And I guess it's time na rin siguro to say goodbye to calling you classmates kasi from now on, I'll be calling you learners. So goodbye classmates and hello learners.